What's up guys? Here is a laptop that's running on Endless OS. So as you can see, it's trying to boot, but anyway, I will shut it down. What I wanna do is try and install a Windows on this machine. So what you have to do in order to do that is make sure you have a bootable USB which is plugged in a USB 2.0. I don't recommend you to use USB 3.0 because you may have problems with that. So what you have to do with Acer laptops is power the laptop on and hit F2 until you go to the BIOS menu. I will enter a password because I have already made some changes, so let me just load setup to show you exactly what you have to do. So I'm now on default settings. So what you have to do is go here to the main tab and you wanna make sure that F12 is enabled, and after that you wanna go to boot tab and you wanna make sure that secure boot is disabled, but we cannot highlight that right now. So we're gonna go to security and we're gonna set a supervisor password. Don't forget to remember that password. Okay, so now if you go to boot menu, you can see that you are now able to highlight the secure boot. So make sure that will be disabled, and now you have to go to exit and hit exit saving changes. Okay, now when the laptop will restart, just press F12 to go to the boot menu. And if you don't see your USB right over here, just turn the laptop off again, turn it back on, hit F2 to go to the BIOS again, enter the password you just set, and now go to boot and select legacy. Okay, so I will also disable the password because I don't need it anymore. So make sure the boot mode is on legacy, and at the main tab you have the F12 boot menu enabled. Alright, so now go to the exit tab, hit exit saving changes, and now hit F12 again while the laptop is booting up. And you can now see that you have your USB right over here. Select it and now it's booting from the USB. So that's kind of all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.